Hi, Jake with Diode. With the return of the Ford Ranger, one of America's favorite mid-size truck is back and better than ever. Today, we're going to show you how to install our SLF LED fog light bulbs. Installation is plug and play and only takes a few minutes, and it doesn't require any tools whatsoever. Let's get started. To remove your factory fog light, you're actually going to reach up through the fender well and underneath the crash bar. And you'll be able to feel the factory bulb, just turn it counterclockwise and back it out from the housing. Now the tabs for this bulb are on the side, so we recommend pushing down the tab with your thumb or index finger and pulling on the bulb with your hand.
Plug in your SLF LED replacement into the factory harness. Make sure you hear the harness click.
Before you reinsert the bulb into the housing, it's a good idea to go ahead and check for polarity and make sure that the bulb is functioning properly. If the bulb does not turn on immediately, disconnect it, rotate the connector 180 degrees, and reconnect it. Repeat all these same steps on the other side to finalize your installation. With our SLF LED fog light bulbs installed, you'll not only have better visibility at night, but a 21st century appearance that matches the new design of the Ford Ranger. These are available right now on DiodeDynamics.com, so click the link below for more information or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. Thanks for watching.